This is Firecracker and Ziggy's little girl. She is full of personality. Such a sweet, sweet girl. Tiny, tiny, tiny. Look at that cute little face, and her ears are popping up. That is pretty typical for a very, very small toy. Until they get a little bit more ear growth and ear hair weight, those ears will pop up. Hi, sweetheart. You show them how such a pretty girl you are? Huh? Hi. Yes. Hi. She's just a short little thing, too. Hi. She looks huge in the camera, but she really is really quite small. Hopefully you can get a idea from the camera soup. Huh? Yes. Yes. Hi. This tiny little face. Yes, you're a good girl. What'd you hear? Hmm? What'd you hear? What'd you hear?